Helicopter 6553, if you would make a left 270 to proceed eastbound. Traffic's on the approach into runway 18 left downwind. I'll make you a left 270 to pass behind that traffic. They're going to continue their left downwind.
Left 270 for 6553, we'll be searching for the traffic that will extend into west downwind to runway 18. Traffic on 28
Cessna 3 Nor Whiskey, square your base to final, proceed northwestbound and square your final entry for runway 18. Green number 2 following a Cherokee on a 1.5 mile extended left downwind for runway 18. Delta 35, thank you. Runway 28, you're clear to land with 2106. Coast Guard helicopter on taxiway Delta, if you're remaining north of your runway.
Tower 3 November Whiskey, we're squaring off here to the northwest a little bit.
Cessna 3 Whiskey, thank you. Number 2 following direction through the field. Number 2 for runway 18 following traffic 11 o'clock and 2 miles of Cherokee, returning base shortly.
Number 3, looking for traffic in sight, 3 November Whiskey.
Helicopter 6553, taxiway Delta, Delta 2 clear to land when 2107, remain north of runway 28, east of runway 18 at all times. Company Coast Guard helicopter traffic, we work doing work on taxiway Delta, west of Delta, Delta 2. Cherokee 4 Bravo, Mike, turn base now, traffic 1 o'clock and a mile, squaring their base entry for runway 18, correct control, so it's 3 Whiskey, proceed northwestbound, traffic off your left side is a Cherokee doing a left base from runway 18.
Traffic in sight, 3 November Whiskey.
Cessna 3 Whiskey, number 2 on that traffic, runway 18, clear to touch and go, wind 220 at 7, make left traffic after.
3 November Whiskey, request full stop.
Cessna 3 Whiskey, runway 18, clear to land, wind 2307.
Clear to land, runway 18, 3 November Whiskey.
Cherokee Info, Mike, runway 18, clear to land, wind 230 at 7.
Clear to land, 18, 244 Bravo, Mike. Tower Skylane 847, Mike, ready at 18.
Skylane 401, 7, Mike, Traverse City runway 18, traffic, landing runway 28, additional traffic, about a mile and a half north. We'll get you in a second. Delta 355, turn left, next taxiway, contact ground point 8, good day.
Tower 00 November is on a 1.5 mile final 28, here down full stop.
Station 00 November, Traverse City runway 28, clear to land, wind 2308. Number 1 of the field, traffic to follow for runway 18 is on a 2 mile final for runway 18. Additional traffic will be a Coast Guard helicopter landing taxiway Delta to remain north of your runway just at your 1 o'clock.
Citation 00 November, Coast Guard site.
Landing runway 28 is a citation, your number 2 to the field.
Delta 355, Traverse City contact to terminal legal.
Delta 355,
Roger, access request to be off.